How to create your CoinMarketCap account. So if you wish to create your account on CoinMarketCap, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. All we have to do is launch the CoinMarketCap application, and this is the type of interface that you should be able to see. And what you want to do from here is you want to simply go ahead and then tap on the profile icon from the top right. It'll ask you to log in or sign up. So by the way, if you have an account, you can go to login, but if you don't, go to the option that says sign up. So when you go to sign up, there are many ways to create an account, which could be using a Google account, Apple ID, or you can continue with external wallet. So you can go ahead and then type in the email address that you wish to use for your CoinMarketCap account, enter your password, then tap on create an account button right over here to be able to create your CoinMarketCap account. That's all it takes for us to create our CoinMarketCap account, and I hope this video helped you out. If you've got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.